Welcome to the session on vectors, position vectors. The objectives for this session are to understand and use position vectors. Position vectors are vectors which give the position of a point relative to a fixed origin. The vector OA is the position vector of a point A where O is the origin. If OA equals AI plus BJ, then the vector AB is the position vector of A. In general, a point P with coordinates PQ has position vector OP equals PI plus QJ, which equals the vector PQ. What is the link between vectors and position vectors? Suppose OA and OB are the position vectors of A and B respectively. So here's OA, and here's OB, and here's AB in red. Then using the triangle law, we have AB equals AO plus OB, and of course AO equals minus OA. So here's AB, and here's AO, which equals minus OA. And here's OB. So we have that AB equals OB minus OA. So let's take a look at an example. Points AB in the diagram have coordinates 4, 8 and 13, 1. Find the position vectors of A and B and the vector AB. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's solve this. Let's take a look at part A first. OA is equal to 4i plus 8j, which equals 4, 8. OB is equal to 13i plus j, which equals 13, 1 as a vector. Now for part B. AB equals OB, which equals 13i plus j, minus OA, which is 4i plus 8j. And so collecting together the I terms gives us 13i minus 4i plus j minus 8j, which equals 9i minus 7j. And now for example 2. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So let's solve this. We attempt part A first. So OA equals 8, 4, and AB equals minus 3 minus 8. In part A, we are required to find the position vector of B. So therefore, using the formula or rearranging the formula AB equals OB minus OA, we obtain that OB equals OA plus AB, as shown. So plugging in OA, which is 8, 4, and plugging in AB, which is minus 3 minus 8 as a vector, gives us 5 minus 4. And now for part B. The length of AB, using Pythagoras, is -3 squared plus -8 squared, all square rooted, which gives us square root of 73. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to understand and use position vectors. Thank you very much for listening. To understand this topic in greater depth, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to this topic.